Hey, small business captain out there in the ocean, fighting the good fight, the red ocean of this economy and all that's going on. I want to tell you something. If you can get your business well systemized, check out another video on that, and scalable, you are headed towards exactly what you want. Safe harbor. Scalability, what does that mean? Just bigger and bigger? No, actually. You have to define how much is enough. You see, every business reaches what I call a sweet spot for its model. And if you try to exceed the sweet spot, things will fall apart. Have you ever had the experience of bringing in $50,000 a month in revenue, but it cost you, $49,000 to do it, or bringing in $1 million in revenue and it cost you $999,000 to do it? Not only is it no profit, it's also no peace, no happiness, no good, and it's not what you want to do. So scalability is not just about growth. It is about a smart way to lower your overhead while driving extreme value to your customers. Now, there's a very particular way to do that we teach at Founders Fire, the roots of which I learned way back in the day, 23 years ago. I've been coaching small business owners since that time. I was at E-Myth. Have you read the E-Myth Revisited? Amazing book by Michael Gerber, The Turnkey Revolution. At E-Myth, I started to learn the beginnings of what would become this system. And it is so powerful because ultimately, we've got to put you back in the captain's chair, get you out of the details. You've heard it before. Stop working in the business, start working on the business so you can systemize it, you can scale it, and then you're ready for your exit, which could be a sale or it could be a shift maybe to a qualified management team that just runs that bad boy for you. What am I asking you to do today? Well, let's just find out where you are. How good are your systems? How prepared are you to scale? We built a tool just for this called the Flagship Assessment. If you head over to foundersflagship.com right now, you can get your hands on this assessment. It's not some gimmicky little ClickFunnels thing. It's a real legit tool, and it'll take you a little while to go through it. Don't worry, you don't need to get any paperwork ready, but this is going to do a detailed MRI of all 12 areas of your business. And when you see this thing, you're going to be amazed. I hope you're going to be encouraged. That's why we built it, to show you that there is a way to give you a detailed roadmap of how to go forward and get your business to full potential. And it's only $200. $200? What? Yeah, it's only $200. Actually, it's free. It's free. If you use the code SPARK, SPARK, it's free. Foundersflagship.com. Hope to see you over there soon.